Hey guys, it's FarmerKhalil, and today we're going to talk about ruminants. Ruminants are our cattle, our sheep, and goat, and grass is the most important ingredient to their diets. However, Hyper provides a general maintenance supplement that helps to provide that additional needed ingredients that the grass lack in the animal's diet. This supplement provides the right amount of amino acids, bypass protein, carbohydrates, and minerals that also, when balanced with the WinCorp pre-choice minerals, act as a complete dietary supplement for your animals. A common question asked by most farmers is, Khalil, what is the protein levels needed for my animals? I need a high protein supplement feed for my animals. And guess what? Ruminants actually have an amino acid requirement, not a protein requirement. Please review the National Research Council protein requirements for your common small ruminants. This ration would lower your feed costs and increase your cost effectiveness by having a more efficient, balanced diet for your animals. Please follow feed guidelines.